Woodworking is an art that allows creativity to shine in countless ways, but it doesn't always require expensive materials. In fact, some of the most profitable and stylish creations come from something as simple as scrap wood. Leftover pieces from larger projects, salvaged wood from old furniture, or even discarded wooden pallets can all be transformed into unique, functional, and decorative pieces that people love to buy. The best part? Working with scrap wood not only keeps costs low but also provides an eco-friendly approach to woodworking, making it a sustainable and affordable way to start or expand a woodworking business. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for handmade, rustic, and upcycled wooden items. People love the warmth and authenticity that reclaimed wood brings to home decor. From farmhouse-style pieces to sleek modern designs, the charm of handcrafted wooden creations appeals to a wide audience. Buyers appreciate the uniqueness of each piece, knowing that no two items are exactly alike. Whether it's for home decor, furniture, or artistic projects, scrap wood offers endless possibilities. One of the biggest advantages of using scrap wood is its cost-effectiveness. Unlike expensive hardwood planks or pre-cut lumber, scrap wood is often free or comes at a minimal price. This means that the profit margin for selling handmade wooden goods can be significantly higher compared to working with new materials. Additionally, using reclaimed wood adds a special story to each piece, making it even more desirable to buyers. The natural imperfections, weathered textures, and aged characteristics of reclaimed wood create a level of charm that mass-produced furniture simply cannot replicate. The versatility of scrap wood makes it an excellent resource for crafting a wide range of profitable products. Even the smallest leftover pieces can be turned into something beautiful and functional. Many woodworkers have successfully built entire businesses around repurposing scrap wood, selling their handmade creations online at craft fairs, and in specialty home decor stores. The key is to create items that are not only visually appealing but also practical and in demand. Handmade wooden coasters, for example, are a simple yet highly profitable project that sells exceptionally well. These small decor pieces are popular because they protect surfaces from heat and moisture while adding an elegant touch to any living space. Whether made from rustic slabs of wood, sleek geometric shapes, or intricately engraved patterns, coasters provide an excellent return on investment due to their low material costs and high selling potential. Many people purchase handcrafted coasters as gifts, making them a year-round bestseller in the woodworking market. Wall art crafted from scrap wood is another highly profitable and in-demand item. Wooden wall decor has become a staple in modern interior design, especially in farmhouse, bohemian, and minimalist styles. The beauty of creating wooden wall art is that it allows for endless creativity. Abstract wooden panels, intricate geometric patterns, or layered 3D artwork can turn a simple piece of scrap wood into a high-value home decor piece. Many buyers seek out handmade wooden wall art because it adds warmth and character to their spaces, and with custom engraving or unique finishes, these pieces can fetch premium prices. Entryway organizers and key holders are another functional and stylish way to turn scrap wood into profit. These compact yet useful designs help keep entryways tidy by providing a designated space for keys, mail, and small accessories. Wall-mounted wooden organizers not only serve a practical purpose but also enhance the overall aesthetic of a home. By incorporating additional features such as small shelves or decorative hooks, these pieces become even more attractive to buyers looking for space-saving solutions. Another popular woodworking niche that can be explored using scrap wood is indoor plant accessories. The rise in urban gardening and houseplant enthusiasm has created a high demand for stylish wooden plant holders. Small wooden planters, hanging plant shelves, and geometric wooden succulent holders are just a few examples of how scrap wood can be repurposed into trendy decor items. Many customers specifically look for eco-friendly and handcrafted plant accessories, making these wooden creations a profitable choice for any woodworker. With more people working from home, there has also been an increased interest in well-designed desk accessories. Handmade wooden phone stands, tablet docks, and laptop risers are not only functional but also add a touch of craftsmanship to any workspace. Scrap wood is perfect for creating sleek and modern desk organizers that help keep workspaces clutter-free while enhancing the overall aesthetic. These types of items are especially popular among buyers who appreciate minimalist design and high-quality craftsmanship. Another fantastic use of scrap wood is crafting wooden candle holders. These timeless decor pieces are beloved for their ability to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether designed for tea lights, pillar candles, or taper candles, wooden candle holders can be customized with different finishes, carvings, or decorative accents. Many buyers love the rustic elegance of handcrafted wooden candle holders, making them a great option for selling online or at artisan markets. For woodworkers who enjoy experimenting with artistic designs, scrap wood can be used to create stunning wooden sculptures or statement pieces. Abstract wooden sculptures, layered wood art, and nature-inspired carvings all offer a unique and creative way to showcase craftsmanship. These types of creations are particularly appealing to buyers who appreciate one-of-a-kind home decor and artistic expression. Handmade wooden sculptures can also serve as conversation pieces, adding a distinctive charm to any room. Beyond home decor, scrap wood can also be transformed into small furniture pieces that are both functional and stylish. Wooden stools, side tables, and floating shelves made from reclaimed wood are all highly sought after in the home furnishing market. Many people prefer handcrafted wooden furniture over mass-produced alternatives because it offers a level of authenticity and durability that factory-made pieces often lack. By combining creativity with functionality, small furniture pieces can become profitable woodworking projects that stand out in the marketplace. The appeal of scrap wood projects extends beyond just aesthetics. There is also an increasing awareness of sustainability in consumer choices. Many buyers actively seek out eco-friendly and upcycled products as part of their commitment to reducing waste. By marketing scrap wood creations as environmentally friendly and handcrafted, woodworkers can attract customers who value sustainability. This adds an extra layer of appeal to handmade wooden products, making them even more desirable. Selling handmade scrap wood creations is a fantastic way to turn leftover materials into beautiful, functional, and profitable pieces. Many woodworkers overlook the potential of scrap wood, but with creativity and skill, these materials can be transformed into sought-after home decor, furniture, and artistic designs. Consumers today value handcrafted, sustainable products, making scrap wood an ideal resource for building a profitable business. The demand for eco-friendly and handmade wooden products has grown significantly in recent years. People love custom wood decor, especially pieces made from reclaimed or upcycled materials. Whether it's rustic wall art, handcrafted furniture, or small functional pieces, scrap wood offers an endless source of inspiration. Items like picture frames, candle holders, phone stands, spice racks, and key holders are always popular due to their practicality and aesthetic appeal. Larger pieces such as custom wooden benches, floating shelves, and repurposed pallet furniture can command higher prices and attract a dedicated customer base. Selling these handmade wood creations can be incredibly rewarding. Online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay connect woodworkers with buyers who appreciate handcrafted goods. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest provide a great way to showcase products, reach a global audience, and attract potential customers through engaging content. Additionally, selling at local craft fairs, boutique shops, and home decor stores allows artisans to connect with buyers who prefer to see and feel the craftsmanship in person. One of the greatest benefits of working with scrap wood is the story behind each piece. Customers appreciate the uniqueness of handmade wooden products, knowing they were carefully crafted from salvaged materials rather than mass-produced. The imperfections, grain patterns, and natural textures of wood make every creation one of a kind. This connection to nature and sustainability gives scrap wood creations a distinct appeal that sets them apart in the market. Beyond selling individual items, there are also opportunities for custom projects and commissions. Many customers seek personalized woodwork, such as engraved signs, family name plaques, and unique gifts for special occasions. Businesses and interior designers also look for custom wooden furniture and decor that complements their aesthetic. By offering customization, woodworkers can attract a wider audience and charge premium prices for exclusive, made-to-order pieces. Ultimately, making money with scrap wood is about combining creativity, sustainability, and business strategy. Whether you're crafting small decorative pieces or large statement furniture, there is a growing market for quality handmade wooden products. By focusing on design, marketing, and craftsmanship, woodworkers can turn leftover materials into a thriving and profitable woodworking business.